Select the one sentence that best meets the requirements of standard written English. A. Arriving late to the climate conference, the Italian diplomat found that he missed an important vote on carbon emission levels, which had been held the previous day. This sentence focuses on order of events, specifically the order of events that happened in the past. In this sentence, we have the vote being held, the diplomat missing the vote, and the diplomat arriving. When describing two events that have already happened and we want to make it clear in what order they happened, we use the past perfect tense. This tense is formed by using had plus the past participle form of the verb. For example, in the sentence, by the time I arrived, he had left, we can see that the man left and then the speaker arrived. Taking a look at our sentence, we can see that he missed an important vote is written in the past simple, not the past perfect. It doesn't help us understand the order of events. In order for this sentence to be correct, it would have to say he had missed, using the past perfect form. Based on this, we can mark this choice as incorrect. B. Arriving late to the climate conference, the Italian diplomat found that he could miss an important vote on carbon emission levels, which was held the previous day. This choice is incorrect, as he could miss implies a future possibility, when we know that the voting happened the previous day. In addition, which was held doesn't follow the correct past perfect tense of which had been held. As we discussed in the previous choice, we need this tense to properly set up for us the order of events. This choice can be marked as incorrect. C. Arriving late to the climate conference, the Italian diplomat found that he had missed an important vote on carbon emission levels, which had been held the previous day. This choice corrects the mistakes we saw with the previous choice. It correctly uses he had missed in the past perfect tense as well as which had been held. This tense allows us to understand the exact order of events that occurred. Based on this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. Arriving late to the climate conference, the Italian diplomat found that he was missing an important vote on carbon emission levels, which was held the previous day. This sentence doesn't use the past perfect tense in any context. Instead, it uses he was missing to imply an ongoing action, and which was held in the past simple instead of the past perfect. Based on this, we can mark this choice as incorrect and go ahead and mark choice C as our final answer.